Hi everyone, good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to fix Roblox does not support admin installation. Okay, first things first, open the control panel on your computer. Click on Programs and Features and look for Roblox in the list of programs. Click on Uninstall and follow the on-screen instruction to complete the uninstallation. Once Roblox is uninstalled, visit the official Roblox website and download the latest installer. Run the downloaded installer with administrator privileges, and after Roblox is installed, open the Roblox player. And after that, you should be able to play without encountering the error. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now fix Roblox does not support admin installation. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.